Welcome to RecordOrders version 1.5. RecordOrders is an app that allows you to enter in order and item information about your customers. This is an app that can be used for small businesses or for fundraisers or other uses that you need to record order information. In version 1.5, additional customization has been added to the app. When you enter into RecordOrders, the first thing you'll see is the order entry page. At the top half of this page is customer information. Have they paid for the order? Has the order been delivered? Their name, phone, and other customer information. Right below that is the items. On the items, you can customize any items that you want to put in the app. You'll see on the item page the same items listed, and if you click on the empty line, you can go ahead and enter in a new item. This app allows you to enter in up to 100 items, and you can vary the prices. When you go back to the item list after entering in a new item, you'll see that item is added, and if you go back to the order entry page, you'll see that's on the order entry page. If you notice, you'll see next to the apple listed there's a little arrow. If you click on it, it'll open up a picture of that item. When entering in the item, you can choose to enter in a picture to make this more user-friendly for selling orders for your sales team. On the View Orders page, you'll see that there's 3 different choices of viewing the orders. You can view all, you can view open, and you can view completed. If you click on an order, it'll show you the details of the order. And then if you click on Summary of Orders and Items, you will see that the details of all the orders are listed, how many orders, what's been sold, what's been paid for, and a list of each item that's been sold. On the Admin tab, you can go in and reset the database if you want to clear everything out and reset it back to the default. You can back up your information out to Dropbox. Here you'll see there's multiple options there. You can set up the Dropbox link first, then copy your database out to Dropbox. Once it's copied out there, you can restore the database at any time. You can also update the app after you've restored the database. You can do this one of 2 ways. You can update it by clicking on Update App, or you can close out of the app and go back in and it'll update. Back on this page, you'll also see that there's an export database to CSV. This allows for multiple options including international and regular CSV. International CSV is with a semicolon, and CSV in the US and some other countries use a comma. Also down at the bottom you'll see a choice for share items. This allows you to export all of your items in a format that can be imported back into RecordOrders. Great option for being able to share all of your items out with your sales team. So if you've entered in 100 items and you want to share that out with everyone else on your sales team, you can click on Share Items, send an email out to your sales team, they click on that email and import it directly into their copy of RecordOrders. On this page you have a currency button. Say you don't want to sell in dollars, you want to sell in some other currency. There are multiple currencies available, including British Pound, Euro, and many other options. If you click Done, that'll go ahead and update. When you go back, you'll see it's been updated everywhere. Let's go ahead and change that back to dollar. An option that was added in version 1.4 is the ability to customize fields. You can go in and customize the name, for example. Say you want to change that to names instead of name. You can just go in and update that, click Save. It'll change and say that custom fields are in place. And when you go back to the order entry, you'll see that name has been changed to names. You can change it to any field name that you want it to be. If you click back on the Admin tab, a new update in version 1.5 is the ability to change the background color. You can change it to white, tan, brown, or of course the default blue. Let's go ahead and change it to tan for a second and take a look and see what that looks like. If you look across, it's been updated on every page to match that color. You can also take a look here and see how many orders you can enter. There is no maximum number of orders that you can enter in this app, but there is a limit of 100 items. Let's go ahead and change this back to default color. If you have any questions about RecordOrders, you can provide feedback at http://iosro.com. Again, the website for this app is iosro.com. And this app is available in iTunes to download today.